We have 1100 base 2 divided by 11 base 2. These are base 2 numbers, so these place values have different meanings than the place values of base 10 numbers that we use. This is the ones place, just like base 10, but this is the twos place. That's how many groups of 2 you have. The next place would be the 2 squared place. That's how many groups of 4 you have, 2 squared. And then that would be 2 cubed, which is 8. That's how many groups of 8 you have. The way I'm going to do this is I'm going to convert both of these base 2 numbers to base 10 numbers and then divide, get an answer, and then convert that back to base 2. All right, so let's start off by converting 11 base 2 to base 10. So this means I have one group of 1 and one group of 2. So I have one group of 2 and one group of 1. That's 2 plus 1, which is 3. So 11 base 2 in base 10 is 3. Now I want to do the same thing with this number. I have 0 groups of 1, 0 groups of 2, 1 group of 4, and 1 group of 8. So 1 group of 8, 1 group of 4, 0 groups of 2, and 0 groups of 1. Working this out, I get 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0, that's 12. So in base 10, this is really 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3, which is 4. So this is the answer in base 10. I want to now convert that to base 2. So remember, base 2, think about the place values here. You got the 1's place value, you got the 2's, and then the 2 squared, which is 4. And then the next one would be 2 cubed, which is how many groups of 8 you have. Now my answer is 4, base 10. That means I have a group of 4. I can't create groups of 8 because I only have 4, so there's not going to be a number in the 8th place value. But I do have one group of 4, but I have nothing left over after that. If you want to figure out how many groups of 4 you have, just divide this 4 by 4 and you have one group of 4. So this 1 is going to go in the 4's place value. And then figure out how many groups of 2 you have left over. In the remainder, there's nothing left over. How many groups of 2 do I have left over? Nothing. So this 0 is going to go in this spot. And then how many groups of 1 I have? I don't have any 1's either. So this 0 is going to go in this spot. So the answer here, 1100 base 2 divided by 11 base 2 is 100 base 2. There you go.